Yeah, hi everyone. So welcome back to SK Technologies. So in this video, I will explain you about this role-based strategy plugin. I hope you walk through the previous video. So in that I have explained how to install the plugin and how to configure it. So now we will try to create the roles and we will assign that roles to the users. Okay. So actually here there are two types of roles. Okay, so one is a global role. Okay, so global role. Another one is a item role. Item role. Okay, so here global role means it's a global level access, entire your Jenkins access. So global Jenkins level access, entire Jenkins level access. But here, okay, so it means Jenkins level, sorry, Jenkins level access, overall your Jenkins level access. So, and this one item role means it's a job level access. Okay, so job level access, only specific jobs only you are providing the access. Okay, so that is what our agenda, right? So based on the role of the employee, so he can able to view, he can able to read, and he can able to run the jobs, specific jobs only. So here you should follow the naming conventions of the your jobs when you are creating. So naming standards you need to follow, like dev environment jobs. Okay, so dev environment jobs, all jobs start with dev, like dev job one. Okay, so dev job two or dev SSH job, something you can. So prefix as a dev, it means these all are dev related jobs. Okay, so deploy one, whatever. In the same way, UAT jobs, like UAT environment jobs. Okay, so UAT environment jobs. So how it will start means, so it will start with the UAT demo one. Okay, so UAT demo two. Likewise, in the same way, prod also, prod environment. Okay, so in the prod also it will start from the, it will start with the prod job one. Okay, so prod job two. Okay, so prod deploy, whatever. All jobs are starting with the prod, prefix as a prod. So likewise, you have to follow the naming standards in your Jenkins job when you are creating it. Okay, so with following these instructions, with following this naming standards, then we are applying the we are creating the roles, the respective roles, and we are applying those roles to the users. Then respectively, he will get the privileges on the jobs. Okay, so now let me go and create the global role and item role. Both I will create. Thereafter, I will assign those roles to the users. Okay, so currently these are the jobs available, and users also in the uh, users in the previous session we created, right? Like dev user. Okay, so dev user, UAT user, okay, prod user. So we will create three kinds of item roles. Okay, so three types of item roles, and we have three users, right? That's why three items, three types of item roles we will create. Then we will apply those roles on these users. Okay, so global wide we will create only one role. Okay, that read role only we will create. Okay, so read role global wide, this one, and we will assign all these roles to the users also, we will see. Okay, so here first time let me create global role, later I will explain this. So first let me create this read role in the global. So go to your Jenkins, login as an administrator user. So manage Jenkins, so come down. So this is the option. When it will come, guys, whenever you are selecting the role, the authorization as a role based strategy, then only this option will come. Okay, otherwise it won't see, you won't see this option, manage and assign roles. See, handle permissions by creating the roles and assigning them. Either you can assign on user basis or group basis also you can assign, not an issue. Okay, so now let me go and create global wide. By default you might see the admin level global role. Okay, so this is for your administrator user. Don't add any other users as a admin. Okay, so here I am going to create a role called a read role. Simply you can create the read role. So here only at the job level you can provide the read, that's it, this is enough. Apply, save this. Okay, so in the global wide, as I told, in the global wide you just create the read role. This is fair enough, and provide the read access. Okay, so read access on job, that's it. This is what I have done now, just now. Okay, now come to the item role. So here you can create three types of roles because we have the three users, right? So each user having the respective role, right? So some user only working in the dev environment, so other user working only in the UAT, and the remaining user production. So likewise you have to create three roles here. Let me create dev, and here the pattern. So help us to the pattern, you just click on here and walk through these steps. So here this is what our naming standards are using in this pattern. Okay, so let me give like this: dev dot star, whatever the jobs are starting with the dev, all jobs are, this role is applicable. Okay, so let me add this. See, dev, let me create one more uat, then uat dot star, which means all your uat jobs it will apply. Okay, in the same way let me create prod, then prod dot star, that's it. Apply, save. Okay, so as of now I just created the global one global role and three item roles, which are dev, prod, uat. So here you can give read, read, okay, and build. Okay, where is the build? Here, build. Let us see, later also we can change it, not an issue. So let me provide so three item roles, which are, okay, so dev role, uat role, and prod role. And here I provided read and build, where in the job level. Okay, so likewise same for all other items also, other roles also. Okay, so these three are item roles. Now what I will do, so far I created global role and item role. Now I will go and assign this role. How to assign the roles to users? Okay, so this one I am going to do now. Okay, so this is the thing. So apply and save this. Okay, so now here in the left side, see, assign roles. Okay, so click on here. So this is the assign roles. Simply you can add users and assign respectively. Okay, so global wide, how many users we have? Three users, right? So global wide you have to assign. Again, assigning also have two types: global wide. So how many users we have? Dev user, just add dev user, that's it. Dev user, uat user, and prod user, isn't it? Now in the same way, uh, okay, so in the same way, item roles also you can assign the same way for all three users. Okay, we will see. So first let me add these three users under the global roles. Okay, so assigning the role under global roles, let me add users. Dev user, just add, and UAT user. Okay, then prod user. See, if you observe above, it is adding, right? Now you simply provide a read. Global wide you can provide a read. This is the role. This is a global role, right? So global wide you given only the read, right? So simply add this. Apply. Now come to the down. So here again you can add the users. Same three users. Dev user. Okay. So UAT user. Okay. And prod user. Here the thing, guys. So here the main thing. So here based on their role respectively you have to select. So dev user, what role you have to provide? Dev role. Okay, and the prod user, what role you need to provide? Prod. And UAT, only UAT role. This is the main thing, guys. When you are assigning the roles to the respective people, this is the main thing. Creating is, see, everybody can create, but when assigning, based on assigning only, they will get the privileges. So let me save this. Okay, so now we can go and verify. Okay, so now we can go and verify, and based on this only they will get the access. See, as of now I provided in the item level I provided read and build. So let me verify. So go to your here, let me log in as a dev. So my ultimate goal is whenever I use it, whenever I logged in as a dev user, so he can able to see only the dev jobs. Let me log in and check. Okay, we're getting this error. So dev user missing the, so something we made a mistake in the Jenkins, we will see. So go back to here. So dev user. Okay, so dev user having this one role, this one. Okay, so this is fine. Let me check here. Dev user having the read role only. Okay, and here only the dev, right? Okay, everything looks good. Then somewhere we are making mistake. Let me verify. So is a dev role, right? Build this one. Everything looks good, guys. Everything looks good, but yeah, here thing is in the global role, if you see nothing you provided, overall rules. Okay, read and administrator. So nothing you provided here in the job level you provided. Okay, but you need to provide in the overall. See, this is the global role, right? You need to provide it overall. So simply provide as a read, only read. Don't go provide with the administrator. Okay, only read. Apply and save this. Okay, now you can go and verify. Let me log out. Dev user. Now let me see. Yeah, now I had only the read access. See, now I am having only the read access, but it's supposed to show the this one also. Okay, it's supposed to show only the dev jobs, right? So let me verify. Let me log in as a UAT also and check. UAT user. Yeah, UAT also don't have read. Okay, so something missing again. Let me verify. Apply and save. Okay, read, build also given, right? So that's why it's supposed to show where you given. Oh, under run you given. See here under run again you make a mistake. Be careful, guys. Under job, right? So here you have to provide read. Apply, save. Okay, now you can go and verify. Let me log out. Let me log in as a dev user. Root 1, 2, 3. Yes, see. Now, if you go and check, your Jenkins having lot of jobs, but the dev user only able to see this one, and also he can able to see only build. Even he cannot configure, even he cannot delete it because we provided only the read and build. That is the reason. See, now let me log out and let me log in as a UAT user. UAT user. Now he can able to see only UAT project. See, and in the same way he can only the build. So let me build it. We'll see. See, second job success. I just given only checkout job success. See, now he can able to execute. That's it. This is the way you have to provide the access on the Jenkins based on his rule. Okay. So, so that's it. Let me log out and log in as a prod also. Prod user. See, now he can able to only see the prod jobs. That's it, guys. Now we can go and add privileges in the you can modify the privileges in the item side. Okay, so now let me configure. Let me add prod configure. Okay, then production employees. Okay, so they can able to refresh this. They can able to configure. See, configure is the option. Okay, they can able to edit the configuration. That's it, guys. So this is the way you have to use the role based authorization plugin. But don't get confusion on the global role and the item role. Okay, so clearly I have mentioned, right? So these are the jobs which I have created. Okay, and these are the users we have. Based on that, I have created the global role and item role. Then I assigned those roles to the users. That's it. Okay, so let me add this in top. Okay, so you can go and practice, guys. So these are the users and jobs. Okay, so these are the jobs, these are the users. Based on that, one role, global role I created, three item roles I created. Then all all users I assigned the global role, and for all these three users I assigned the item roles also. That's it. Based on that, they will get the privileges on the Jenkins. Okay. So thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, queries, so please make a comment. Thank you.